If you'd like to contribute to the LearnPath Hub and publish items that you've created, you first of all need to opt into that function. And this is done, first of all, when you log into LearnPath, there'll be an option saying, do you want to opt in? You can click a button. But to make sure you've set it correctly, or if you're not sure if it's been set correctly, you can go to the management area of Oliver. And once you're in the management area of Oliver, go to the management screen and choose parameters. You need to be logged in with the library system administrator rights to see the parameters area. The parameters for LearnPath are located in the area numbered 5720, or you could search for LearnPath. And when you search for LearnPath, it'll take you to the area where the parameters are kept, which in this case is 5720. And some of the parameters there are the library name, school location, postcode, school type, and you want to publish guides to LearnPath. If we click on that Publish Guides to LearnPath Hub, it shows you all the parameters in that area, which then makes them editable. If you'd like to opt in to have the option of publishing any guides you create at your discretion, guide at the time, you select Publish Guides to LearnPath Hub and choose Yes, and then fill in the details such as the name of your school location, your postcode, and your school type. By putting in these details, whenever you publish a guide to the hub, others can see which state, the name of your school, and there might be more than one school with the same name, so by putting a postcode helps identify that, and the type of library it is. Also, at the time of publishing to the hub, you'll be prompted for your name, so people see it's written by you. When you import guides from LearnPath Hub, you've also got the opportunity to like it. The more, it's nice when people like your work and see that it's been appreciated. While we're in these parameters, there's also another parameter which is guide size tile. Guide tile size, I should say. Guide tile size. So these are the LearnPath guides, the little tiles that we put images on earlier. There's three sizes: small, medium, or large. Small is quite small, it makes words wrap a little bit on the titles, and large is quite large, it takes up a fair amount of space on the screen. So it's a little bit of an experiment to see which the most suitable size of tile is. I'd probably recommend start with medium and see what you think. Click on Save. In the training system, it's not possible to opt in to publish to the web. That's why it's coming up with a little issue there. In your own systems, answering yes and putting sessions, putting yes in and putting your details in, clicking Save will work as expected. At any time, if you'd like to change your mind, you could go back to the parameters, edit the parameter and answer no, and click Save. Just going to open up my own Oliver system for a moment, just to demonstrate that part of LearnPath, which is publishing to the hub. Here's my LearnPath system. I'll click on a guide such as post-school pathways, and if I want to share that with the Oliver community, I could click Publish to Hub. The Publish to Hub button is available because I've opted in to publish. When I click Publish to Hub, it allows me to change the name. So if you've got more than one person maintaining your LearnPath, they can put their own name in there. Then you click Publish Guide to LearnPath Hub. That's been published to the hub. At any time, if you didn't want it to show on the hub anymore, you can click Remove from Hub. And that way it'll be removed straight away. To see what that looks like on the hub, if I click LearnPath Hub at the top of the screen, I could search for post-school pathways. There's the post-school pathways that I added. It was added by me from Grange School, postcode 4121. And I could then copy and download it accordingly. and even like it if you think it's useful. If I no longer wanted my post-school pathways to be available on the hub, I simply click Remove from Hub. And click Remove from Hub. It's gone. It's now no longer in the hub. We would encourage you to consider opting in to contribute, and that way other schools won't have to reinvent the wheel every time. Any content you create can be useful for other schools, especially seeing as they're all departmental schools and all the same curriculum areas, etc. So going back to LearnPath Home again.